Alright, so this is going to be a really quick video here on the 2018 Ram 1500. I have an absolutely annoying dash rattle, and it is coming from the passenger side here as I drive down the highway. It's obviously caused by vibration, so we're going to see if we can find out what it possibly is. Okay, can you leave that alone now so I can make a video, please? Okay, so the first thing I would do if you have a rattle of any sort is, if you got the upper glove box or compartment here, clear that out. I would pull the glove box out completely, and also that center compartment. Just pull everything out of there and just drive the truck and see if the rattle goes away. If it does not, then I would go further into it. So I'll show you what I found. Hey, can you not do that, please? Hey, can you please stop? Alright, so the first thing I did, I pulled out the glove box and I was looking for loose connectors. And I found this one right here, this one with the yellow wire. And this one was just dangling, so what I did was I zip tied it to some other wires here so that it couldn't make contact, because to me it sounds like a plastic on metallic kind of vibration. So, and I thought, oh, that's it. I found out that's what it is. Drove it to work, exact same rattle was back again. So that's disappointing. Also, I believe this wire could be for like a courtesy light. If you get the right connector, so when a door's open, it would provide power. So if you want to add that, I'm pretty sure that's what that's for. So then I went a little bit further in. Can we not be doing this, please? And I removed the entire the vent section here, and I found another connector, which is this one right here. And this one is just I'm really sorry, I don't know what the deal is today. Usually he leaves me alone, and today he's just like in the business here, just sniffing away. Come on, go play with your toy. He's just relentlessly sniffing today. Okay, so what I found is that this plastic connector here is just mounted into this metal work with a push type fastener, and it has the freedom to do this. I did quite a bit of searching on YouTube, and there's a lot of different Ram truck videos that have rattles. Nobody's pointed out to this. So this may not be the issue, but this is what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to remove the fastener, and I'm just going to cable tie it probably to this wire loom so that it can't make contact with any of the metal or anything like that. And if it fixes it and I don't hear it today, I will make a follow-up video. That'll be it for now.